Welcome to Renata's Bong Cookhouse. Today I will prepare khichuri or hotchpoch. It's a main course which is served commonly with eggplant pakora or beguni, eggplant fry or begun bhaja, omelette, potato fry or aloo bhaja, fried fish, particularly hilsa fry, mixed vegetable curry or labra, potato curry or aloo dum. Is generally served with ghee on top. Khichuri is synonymous with monsoon and religious food offerings to God or khichuri bhog. It is very nutritious and healthy, is easy to make and can be prepared within minimum time and with any ingredient of a choice. If you like my recipe, then please click the like, subscribe and the bell icons below. The ingredients we need are Moong dal or yellow lentils half cup, Gobindobhog rice also called Kalijira Rice or Kalijira Rice or baby Basmati half cup. Wash the rice thoroughly, drain water. Other types of rice can also be used. Grinded ginger 2 tablespoons, grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Coconut slices half cup. Sliced red radish 6 small, cut into halves. White radish can also be used. Chopped cauliflower half, large flowers taken. Chopped turnip 1, cut into small cubes. Skin is peeled off. Diced carrot 1, cut into small cubes. Chopped spring onion 6, cut into mid-sized cylinders. Diced tomato 1, large, cut into cubes. Green peas half cup. Frozen peas are defrosted with water. Whole masalas comprising of panch foron 1 teaspoon, cumin 1 tablespoon and coriander seeds 1 tablespoon. Cashew 1/4 cup. Golden raisins 1/4 cup. Turmeric powder 1½ tablespoon. Salt to taste. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Refined oil 4 tablespoon. Mustard oil 4 tablespoon. Used for traditional flavor and taste. Bay leaf 1. Red chili 2. Green chilies 3 to 5 slit in the middle. To make khichuri, we first have to dry roast the moong dal. For that, heat a pan, add the yellow lentils, dry roast it in medium to high heat till some dal start becoming brown. Take off the pan, wash thoroughly and keep aside. Then shallow fry the vegetables and cashew. For that, heat about 4 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan, add about ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Add cauliflower and about ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes or till light brown. Add the cashew. Saute till the cashews are light brown. Add the turnip, carrots, radish and about ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Shallow fry in medium to high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir from time to time. To cook khichuri, in a pan, add the dal, rice, fried vegetables and cashew, tomato, peas, 3 green chilies, ginger, coconut, raisins, spring onion, about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon of salt and about 4 cups of water. Mix them well. Cook till half done or about 10 minutes in medium to high heat with or without the lid. Stir from time to time. Once the khichuri is half done, we need to prepare the foron. For that, heat about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add the bay leaf and red chilies. Saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Add the whole masalas. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Then transfer it to the khichuri pan. Mix them well. Add water If required, I have added about 1 cup of hot water, but this is optional, and about half teaspoon of salt. Mix well, cover the pan with a lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it. Add whatever is required. I've added about 1 tablespoon of ghee, 2 green chilies slit in the middle, and about a half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. I will serve it hot, ideally with some ghee on top. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.